Today we get to go to church in our PJs. It's gonna be fun. Of course, I had to buy a pair of brand new PJs for the occasion. My husband is wearing his boho attire and his pajama bottoms.
My Here Comes Cool Dad socks I got for Father's Day.
Oh yeah, his Here Comes Cool Dad socks. Yeah,
And
those are
tennis
cool.
shoes. I don't think I've ever worn tennis
She's so
shoes.
cool. Oh, so cool.
Casual Saturday or Sunday at church today.
Casual Sunday, praising God. Ow!
2 hours later.
Right after church, we went to La Fonda, our favorite restaurant. So here we go. Now, the thing about Mexican people, because I'm Mexican, is that they're very nosy.
What do you call a nosy pepper? Jalapeno business.
Good morning. So far, no odd remarks, but, well, let's see if we get any odd remarks in here. Here we go. This is an awesome restaurant. All right. It's our favorite restaurant. We're going to sit here, and we're going to order some of Buenos dias. So today it was go to church in our pajamas.
Really?
Yeah. What do you think about that?
Interesting.
Casual community.
Yeah.
Well, if it's all good, it was respectful,
Oh yeah.
I mean,
and it was just in the theme of getting the spirit of things. I don't have a problem with it.
Not everybody participated though.
no.
Well, yeah, that's gonna happen. Not in my video.
This is Chris. Say hi.
Or Alex, depending on the day.
So what do you think about us wearing our pajamas to the restaurant?
Kind of confused.
Kind of confused?
Yeah.
Well, today it was wear your pajamas to church day. And then we decided to wear it here. So what do you think? Fun?
Yeah, it is fun.
You think they'd let you
Thank
wear
you.
your pajamas to work here someday?
Probably
They'll
not.
probably take me out already.
We'll never see them again.
He said most likely they would take me out. You guys, this is a family-owned business,
Yes, a
correct?
family-owned business. Yeah, we've been started back in 1979 by my grandparents, Agustin Medina and my grandmother Teresa Medina. So my mom and my aunt are the ones who run it now. And I'm here every once in a while just to help out when I can. So.
Oh,
Good
thank
news to work with
you.
Antonio.
Fonda is a family-owned business, and we come here every Sunday, and they are so sweet. For example, she messed up on my order, and then she just gave me an enchilada, even though I said I don't want it. It's okay. Do not still charge me, but they're just so sweet, and so I'm going to give you a little brief look of La Fonda. La Fonda is fun. It's big. It's expansive. We've got what's his name up there? He said he was a bandit, a thief, a womanizer, but he was also considered the Robin Hood of Mexico. So you're saying that you guys are all cousins? Correct. Oh my gosh. We're cousins of the same. Cousins, and all of these. Related to the Medinas and everyone
And then why do you
is
come here?
related to the Medinas.
Of course.
That's authentic Mexican.
Yeah. It's like grandma.
So how long have you been working here?
20 years.
¿Y cómo se llama?
Adriana.
Adriana. Oh, thank you. It's such a wonderful place. Well, thank you for everything.
You're welcome.
Y más familia. Thank you. And your family also, right?
Yeah.
Yes. And this is, who is this? Abuelita?
No, this is my mama.
Oh, mom.
This is my mom and my dad.
And dad. Oh,
She's 91 and he's 92.
91 and 92. Oh,
Yeah.
how beautiful.
Yeah.
Well, thank you. We love it here. We come quite often, like every single Sunday.
Yeah.
So, yeah, thank you for sharing your family with us.
Christina like family now, so
Oh,
always
yes.
get a hug when we come in. So.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
See you. Here's La Fonda. Here. We got to meet most of the family today. And thanks for joining us on this morning trip to La Fonda in our pajamas.